What's up, guys? This is Trey. Where's the better lighting at? Yeah, that's a good one. Look really white though. Trey and Sid back with another video. Sid is currently in the shower, guys. You hear this? You hear that? That sounds like a revenge prank coming right about now. We're gonna have a camera set up right here for when she gets out. Right. Is that good? Oh, bam, right there. We're gonna have this camera set up right here for when she gets out because she will not be expecting this. Okay, guys, so we have that camera set up over there, and now it's time to get to it. We're gonna put some flour in her blow dryer. Yeah, and she wants to do it straight, so she's gonna have to blow dry her hair, and she already has it. Look, she has it all set up for me. Already set up, you already know. So let me just set this up real quick for you guys, and I'll be back with the flour. Okay. We're gonna open this up. Try not to make a mess. Oh, there's a towel right here. I'm just gonna. Oh, shoot. Set that up right there. Make sure that goes in there. And then we're just gonna slide this in there. It's perfect right there. Oh yeah, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna clean that up. Make sure it's all down in there. Okay. She's not even gonna be expecting this. Oh crap. I think it's the on button, but it's up. Damn. Oh. It's on my face. Okay, yeah, just wipe that off. Yeah. Okay, look. Now we're gonna put it back exactly how she had it. Set it down nice and soft. Okay, yeah, that's cool. So it needs to get pranked today. First, we gotta set it up somewhere. She has a whole bunch of stuff here. Look, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm gonna just try to hide it in here. Hopefully she doesn't see it. I just have to set it up right. Let's see. Is that good? It's perfect. Damn, it's clean. She's not even gonna see that. She's not even gonna notice. Let's get it. Yeah. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Trey,
What?
my blow dryer is burning. Why is my blow dryer burning?
I don't know.
What is coming out of it?
I don't know.
Is it gonna blow up? Why is it smoking?
I don't know. Maybe we should take it outside?
What do you mean?
Cause if it's smoking, I don't want the smoke alarm to go off or anything. So let's take it outside. No.
No.
Freaking serious? God, bro. Hello? Yeah, girl. But guess what? I was getting ready. And I was turned on my freaking blow dryer, and it just started smoking. Smoking.
I don't know. Smoking is burning or something. But yeah, I'm gonna some. Okay.
Alright, bye. I just discovered that Trey was trying to prank me with the baby powder in the dryer prank, right? Trey actually used flour in the dryer. So it almost blew up. But yo, I can't even do my hair now. But I think he's outside cleaning up the blow dryer. What you doing?
Nothing.
How you feel?
Stupid.
Jeez, it smells like ashes. You know what? I think all this just proved that you can't prank me back. Good try. I have nothing to say but laugh. But it was a good try. But how would you feel if I would have how would you feel if I would have blown up? Because I was holding it.
Would have been good vlog footage.
Really, Trey? The only thing I'm mad at is that I can't do my hair. That was a good try. I'm gonna give it to you. That was I see what you were trying to do. But you know how fierce I would be if that really got all over my face.
It's
in my hair.
daily.
And I think I earned some points with this prank. Because it didn't work out for him. So I think that I came in with the win.
It's Trey and Sid daily.
He's sad.
Team Trey, we took an L today. A huge L today.
Losers.
But we will definitely be taking a W very soon.
He's talking so low. He's so sad right now.
Be taking a W very soon.
But y'all a bunch of losers right now. Trey and Sid.
We are out.